All right, what's up, YouTube? All right, it's Fix It Vic again, and I'm in the back seat of my F150, my Ford F150, and I can't get out of the back door. Neither one of these doors have ever worked since I've known him to have this truck. This is a common problem, and I'm going to show you a quick fix to how you can fix these and get these doors that are operable. And here we go. As you can see, I'm on the inside. You can pull the inside latch and also the outside latch, and you get nothing here. The doors are unlocked and still nothing. So what I'm gonna do is first and foremost, you got a Phillips head, two Phillips head screws here. You want to remove those. Okay, once you remove these two screws, then what you're gonna do is you either use your pry tool, or you could sometimes just pull on this and this will come loose and you'll get this off. Okay, now with this top piece removed, we're gonna go and remove this bottom panel by removing 1, 2, 3, and this is a 10 millimeter. Okay, now once you get 1, 2, and 3 out, you just want to pull this top out towards you. Pull this out towards you, up and out. Okay, next we want to get this speaker out of the way. These 4 screws, 6 millimeter. Next you want to take off these here to take this handle off. Once you get those screws out, just pull that out. And you can pull that out. Remove this weather stripping. Where the adhesive, if the adhesive is still good, so where you can still use it and put it back on. Okay, now I'm on the inside and I see the issue. When I pull the cord here at the latch, it's broken down there. I don't know if you can see in there, but that whole latch is eaten up. Well, the cord, the edge of the cord where it's pulling. If I pull here, I can open the door with it, but the problem is also here, the part where the latch is pulling up. When it pulls up, it's not allowing it to stop. I got to get a new cable for this door. To take the other door apart to check it. I'm on my way to Advanced Auto Parts. They have a cable repair, a door latch cable repair kit that costs like $11. It has 4 of these little metal things that I'm going to show you when I get them that repair the cables that's broken in the doors. I'm just buying the pack because, like I said, on this door there's no top latch, it's only a bottom latch, so I only need 2 for this cable over here. So if the same problem is happening over here, what I'm gonna do is switch that. I'm gonna also just do that same thing with this door over here. So I'm on my way to Advanced Auto Parts right now. I'll let you know how it goes. Next, you want to pull out your cable. So at the top, you're going to have this top piece in here, and as you can see, it's 2 tabs that you're going to push from back here and let it out of there. There was a lock in here, and then what you're going to also do is going to have to come down and take this latch out with these 2 screws. Okay, now we got the finished product here. Everything in place. Not gonna come out. Let's see if I can get my camera down in there. Yep. So everything in place. Thing tight down there. Door closed. Open down there. And everything works now. go to the other side, just in case. So I remember I showed taking this door apart. It didn't open before. Close. Everything brand new. So the repair kit at Advanced Auto Parts, I'm not sure if O'Reilly has it, but that repair kit definitely works. And like I said, one of those packs does per door, but my doors don't have the top latches, so I use one pack.